everyone, and welcome back to my first Earth Scale Mode episode. I think it's part 6 maybe, and as you can see over here, I have made some new changes on my boat. Um, yeah, the first change is this here. I put a new motor about 100 and 120 volt boat motor, which I will show you in a minute how it works, and the travel battery here, yes, and this I put a piece of iron. You can, here is empty, you can put things about down from here, and you can put the battery up for the water not to touch it. It's okay. I'm full the battery here with this over there, here, yeah. And now I will show you how. Okay guys, I return back, and now just hear how this motor, how fast it moves. Oh, it wasn't a problem, just the pole. That's the motor. Lots of voices, you think? Okay, the air that it makes, it's very much. And as I put my finger over here, the air that comes out of this hole is very, very, very mass. So, this is my motor. And now, I will end the episode here, because I made some new changes, and I come back in some time with some videos on Minecraft. Uh, if you know it, the game you build on it, with a texture pack, and I believe you enjoy them. If you like this video, please leave a subscribe or a like or everything as you want. See you guys.